Imagine a world where we couldn't check the weather forecast, use GPS, or even watch satellite TV. Sounds impossible, right? But without space exploration, that's exactly where we'd be. Welcome to Beyond the Horizon, a podcast that explores the incredible interplay of meteorology and astronomy. My name is Christine.
And I'm Sheila. We're here to take you on this journey through weather, space, and everything in between.
In this episode, we're exploring one of the most fascinating topics in science, space exploration. But don't worry, we're not just going to talk about rockets or astronauts. We're diving into how space exploration impacts our lives in ways most people don't even realize. So, welcome to Space Impact.
So, I think we can all agree that space is really cool. But why should we explore space? Today, we're breaking down why expanding our place in space ensures that human race continues on. We will cover new technologies, ways space exploration help us understand our world, and even debunk some myths.
Let's start by addressing a common question. Why spend so much money on space exploration when there are issues here on Earth? The answer lies in the incredible technologies and scientific discoveries that come from solving the challenges of space exploration, technologies that benefit life here on Earth in surprising ways.
Exactly. Every time we solve a problem in space, it has a ripple effect here on Earth. It's not just technology. Space exploration helps us better understand and protect our planet. Satellites track climate change, assist in disaster management, and even monitor animal migration. Without these tools, our ability to study and respond to environmental changes would be severely limited.
That's correct. One fantastic example of space-driven technology is memory foam, originally developed by NASA to cushion astronauts during launch. Memory foam now appears in mattresses, car seats, and even footwear.
And don't forget scratch-resistant lenses. NASA created a special coating for astronaut helmets to handle space debris. Now, this innovation is used in eyeglasses, phone screens, and car windshields.
And hindi lang yon. Innovations like freeze-dried food, solar cells, emergency space blankets, firefighting suits, and even some camera sensors and laptops owe their origins to space exploration.
Pero syempre, meron din sa medical field. Space research has also improved medical equipment like heart monitors, dialysis machine, and CAT scanner. A Journal of Space Medicine article even highlights how technology used to analyze space images is now used in MRIs to detect tumors.
Space exploration has actually saved lives too. Ang example nito is yung study sa bone density loss. In zero gravity, astronauts lose bone mass quickly, similar to osteoporosis. So, NASA scientists work with other doctors on ways to prevent this, which led to better treatment for osteoporosis patients here on Earth.
And that brings us to the International Space Station or ISS. The ISS serves as a unique laboratory where astronauts conduct experiments in microgravity, which has led to breakthroughs in medicine, biology, and material science. For example, research on ISS has provided new insights into muscle and bones loss, immune responses, and even cancer cells. A 2022 study in Scientific Report found that exposure in microgravity affect cancer cells in a way that may lead to new treatments.
That's incredible. And beyond some medical advances, space exploration also benefits the environment. Without satellites, we know that we won't be able to track global warming as effectively. NASA's Earth observing satellites collect essential data on deforestation, melting ice glaciers, and rising sea levels. This helps us understand phenomena like El Nino, allowing us to predict its impact on weather patterns.
And beyond just studying climate change, satellites are vital for managing natural disaster. In 2021, data from the NASA satellites helped track wildfires across California, allowing firefighters to respond faster. Space-based system is also aid in predicting hurricanes, saving countless lives through early evacuation warnings.
So, isipin natin, without space exploration, everyday conveniences like GPS, satellite communication, and even weather tracking wouldn't exist. We owe so much of our technological process to space research indeed.
But beyond technology, expanding our place in space means ensuring the survival of humanity. The day we stop exploring is the day we lost that essential curiosity, that drive to understand our universe. And in exploring, we ask fundamental questions about who we are and where we came from.
Yes, through exploration, we learn about our solar system's history and even our potential in the universe. With this, we were also able to know the Big Bang Theory, its origin, and we were also able to explore human and reveal the amazing phenomena like blue sunsets on Mars and icy moons that could harbor life.
And let's not forget the images we get from the telescope like Hubble and James Webb, and from missions by NASA and the European Space Agency. They shown us that there are more galaxies and stars out there than all the grains of the sun on Earth. When you look at those images, you feel both small and part of something unimaginably grand.
So correct me if I'm wrong, if sa isang scoop ko ng sand sa beach, any beach, is mas marami pa ang lahat ng stars sa universe kaysa sa sand ng buong beach ng mundo?
Oo, tama.
So that's kind of terrifying and inspiring. Space also help us dream, I think. Our fascination with the heavens has been part of human history, crossing every culture and group. And with every discovery, we're always reminded that exploration not only expands our technology, but also our sense of wonder.
Indeed, Christine.
With this, we can really debunk that popular belief that science exploration is just a waste of money. But as we've shown, it's quite the opposite. A 2020 study published in Journal of Space Policy found that every dollar spent on NASA, there's a return of about $10 through technologies, jobs, and services created. So it's not just spending, it's an investment.
Oh, I also want to share the myth which state that space is silent and empty. Sure, sounds waves don't travel in space, but space isn't exactly silent. Scientists have discovered sound in space by converting electromagnetic vibration to audible frequency. Also, space isn't empty. It's filled with invisible particles and energy fields.
Finally, the big one, aliens. There's a lot of pseudoscience around this. While it's true that scientists are searching for life beyond Earth, especially on planets like Mars, there's no verified evidence of little green aliens visiting Earth. Additionally, humans have been sending radio signals into space since 1974, and scientists have even sent a message toward a cluster of stars with the hope that one day an alien civilization might respond.
Yet, research shows that microbial life may exist on planets with water like Europa, one of Jupiter's moon. So, who knows?
Yes, I like that question. But who knows what lies out there? Pero kung naniniwala man tayo o hindi, we should always be a science enthusiast. We have to clear about the difference between real science and science fiction. Researchers at SETI, the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, have found no signals indicating intelligent life yet, but the research is ongoing. Let's end with a thought that captures the spirit of exploration. Lawrence M. Cross once said, "Every atom in your body came from a star that exploded, and the atoms in your left hand probably came from a different star than your right hand." It is really the most poetic thing I know about physics. You are all stardust.
Our connection to stars is closer than we think. Let's keep exploring, keep dreaming, and see where curiosity takes us.
Make sure to follow us on Spotify and thanks for tuning in. Let's stay connected as we explore more amazing science in the next episode. Don't forget that it's okay to get a little lost in the wonder. See you next time and keep your eyes on the sky.